Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So now I want to discuss mental math problems. Before going to start, little information that you should get ready at first with your copies, and draft work also you should do it, because I have seen what few students are not showing any rough work, so that is also important. Clear? So you should do the rough work in the right hand side. Clear? And even doubt any query, you should inform the teachers. Clear? They will help you. Any subjects. Clear or not? Clear everyone? Okay. So now get ready, everyone, and you should read the question, because easy questions are there, and since it is mental math means you should solve it mentally. Clear or not? Clear? So today we'll discuss, or we'll do what? Exercise 33. Exercise 33. Okay. So everyone read the question. Read the question. Question number one is telling. Question number one is telling. Write 811.07 in words. Write 811.07 in words. We can write it or not? Yes. So at first write. It's a very easy question. You can do it also. You should try it. And another thing that you should try at first. Okay, all questions. Clear? And after that you will see the solution. Clear? Okay. So now this is the meaning of the question. We will write in words. So write it. 800 811 811.07 Clear? 811.07. Clear everyone? Clear? Now see question number 2. Question number 2 is telling, read the question everyone. Question number 2 is telling, how many minutes from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.? How many minutes from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.? Question clear? বলছি যে কত মিনিট from 8 a.m. সকাল 8 a.m. means morning 8 a.m. থেকে সকাল 8টা থেকে 4 p.m. বিকেল 4টা পর্যন্ত কত সময়? How many hours we find out at first? আমরা কত ঘন্টা বার করে নেব আগে, তারপরে we convert into, next we convert into minutes. Clear? Clear or not clear? So we can count it also. So 8 a.m. means see 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 hours. Clear? Again I am counting. See 9, 10, 11, 12. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many hours? We are getting 8 hours. Total how many hours? 8 hours. We are getting 8 hours. But our question is telling how many minutes? How many minutes? That means we convert into minutes. আমরা কিসে convert করব? মিনিটে convert করব. We got here hours, no? So we can convert into minutes. How we convert? We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Clear? 1 ঘন্টার সময় কত মিনিট? 60 মিনিট আমরা জানি। Clear? So 2 hours equal to 2 into 60 minutes. 3 hours equal to 2 hours equal to 2 into 60 minutes. 3 hours equal to 3 into 60 minutes, like that. Clear? And so on. এইভাবে চলতে থাকবে। তাহলে 8 hours সমান কি হবে? 8 hours equal to 8 into 60 minutes. Okay? And 8 into 60 minutes, we'll do multiplication. Clear or not? We'll do multiplication. Everyone do it. Multiplication do. See 8 and 6 what? 8 6 is what? 48 now. So 48. And another 0 is there. 1 0 is there. So 0 will come. That means 480 minutes. Clear? 480 minutes. Understood everyone? Very important question. Question number 2. Very important question. You should practice it. Okay. So here 480 minutes. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now question number 3. See, question number 3 is telling. Question number 3 is telling what? 172 plus 16. 172 সঙ্গে 16 কি করতে হবে, অ্যাড করতে বলেছে। ভেরি ইজি, ডু ইট এভরিওয়ান, নিজে চেষ্টা করো, রাইট, ডু এডিশন। ওকে, ডু ইট এভরিওয়ান। So see, 172 means 172 plus 16, we do addition, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 1 8, and 1 188. Clear? So here answer will be what? 188. This one very easy, you can do it also. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Now question number 4, read the question everyone. Question number 4. Question number 4 is telling what? Question number 4 is telling what do you mean by 416 divided by 13? What do you mean by 416 divided by 13? মানে কি, যেটা এটা কথার অর্থ কি, এটা যে দেওয়া আছে, this is the question, এটার মানেটা কি? What is the meaning of this question? এর মানে কি? এর মানে হলো কি, মানে কি ডিভিশন করতে হবে। কত করে ডিভিশন করব? 416 কে বাই 13। ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে what is the meaning of this question? The meaning of this question is divide 416 by 13. This is the meaning of the question. Divide করতে হবে 416 কে by 13. Clear? This is the question. Question clear? Meaning clear everyone? 400 divide 416 by 13. 416 কে 13 দিয়ে আমরা কি করব? ডিভাইড করব। Clear? আচ্ছা, so this is the answer. Now we do the division. ওই ডিভিশনটা আমরা করব। Now we do the division. 416 divided by 13. আমরা ডিভিশনটা করে আমরা দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি। ওকে, clear? Okay, 13 table you know that. 13 is 30, 13 is 26, 13 3 is 39, 13 4 is 52, but here given 41. That's why you will take what? 13 3 is what? 39 will take. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so here see 1 minus 9 not possible, that means 11, 11 minus 2, 11 minus 9, 11 minus 9 2, 2 will come, 2 and there 6, 26, that means 13 2 is 26. Clear? Clear or not? Clear everyone? So that means 32 is the answer. Clear? 32 is the, if we do the division, so what will come here? So this question answer what? Divide 416 by 13, and this one what? This is the division. If we do the division, what will come? Will come here 32. Clear? 416 কে 13 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে হবে, এটাই কোশ্চেনের মিনিং বলেছিল। এবং আনসারটা কি হচ্ছে যে যদি আমরা ডিভাইড করি, if we do the division, what we get? We will get what? 32. Clear everyone? Clear or not? Clear? Okay, I have understood. Now see the question, question number 5, and read the question. 144 pens equal to dash dozen pens. Very very important question. 144 pens equal to dash dozen pens. এখানে ইউনিট দিয়ে দিয়েছে, যে অনেকগুলো পেন দিয়ে দিয়েছে এবং সেগুলো বলছে যে কত ডজন পেন, ডজনে কনভার্ট করতে বলেছে। হাউ টু ডু দিস ওয়ান? হাউ টু ডু? সে হাউ টু ডু এভরিওয়ান? We know that 1 dozen equal to already discussed, 1 dozen equal to 12 units. 1 dozen সমান কতগুলো ইউনিট থাকবে? 12 units. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? 2 dozens equal to 2 into 12 units. 3 dozens equal to 3 into 12 units, like that. Clear? তাহলে যখন আমরা ডজন থেকে ইউনিট কনভার্ট করছি, তখন that time we are doing what? Multiplication or not? Multiply by 12. But here question is telling, এখানে কোশ্চেন কি বলেছে আমাদেরকে? ইউনিটসে দেওয়া আছে 144 পেন্স, উই কনভার্ট ইনটু ডজনস। তাহলে আমাদেরকে ডজন টু ইউনিটস মাল্টিপ্লাইং বাই 12। ক্লিয়ার আর নট ক্লিয়ার? বাট যখন আমরা ইউনিট থেকে যখন ডজনে যাব, ইউনিট থেকে যখন আমরা কি যাব? ডজনে, উই গো টু দ্য ডজন, দ্যাট টাইম হোয়াট টু ডু? ডিভাইড বাই 12. Clear or not? Clear? That means here also we will do same process. 144 divided by 12, we get the answer. Okay, so we will do the division. That means 144 divided by 12. Okay, now do division. Do 12 1 is 12, Okay, so here 2 4 minus 2 2, and here 4 24, 12 2 is 24. That means we are getting what? 12. We are getting 12. So that's why right here 12. Clear everyone? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. Understood? Important question. You should practice it, otherwise that problem will arise. You cannot solve it. Clear? Okay. Now see question number 6. Question number 6 is telling what? Question number 6 is telling write factors of 36. Very important question. So this type of problem we did before also. আমরা এরকম প্রবলেম আগে করেছি যে কি করে আমরা ফ্যাক্টর বার করব। See 36, how to do this one? 36 means we can write 1 into 36, we can write or not? 36 can লিখতে পারি কি 1 into 36 we can write. Clear? Next, after 1 we'll take what? After 1 we'll take 2, because 36 কে আমরা কি 2 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে পারি, so we'll take 2. And if we divide, what will come here? 18 will come, because 2 1 is 2, 1 6 16, 2 8 is 16. And if we know that 18 table, that also we can do it, otherwise do the division also. যদি না জানা থাকে তাহলে ডিভিশন করে নেবে। Clear? Okay. Now 3 the 36 is also divisible by 3. 36 কে আমরা 3 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে পারবো that time, that's why we'll take here 3 also. Clear? So 3 12 is 32 no, 36 no, sorry, 3 12 is 36. Clear or not? Clear? 3 into 12 36. Okay. Next 4 is divisible. Yes, 36 is also divisible by 4, because 4 9 is 36. That's why 4 also will come. 4 will come. 4 into 9 36. Clear? 5 possible? No. Why sir? Because 5 7 is 35. But here 36 is given. Not possible. That's why 6 will check the 6. 6 is 36. Yes, 6 is we can take it. 6 6. 6 is we can take it. Clear? So that's why here factors are what? 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 36. Clear? So that's why we will write the factors. 1, next 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 36. Clear or not? These are the factors of 36. Okay? Clear? Okay. Clear? This type of factors you should practice it. Okay, how to find out that one factors? Practice it, otherwise if any problem you should inform. Okay, number 7. See question number 7. Question number 7, simplification given. Simplification means we should apply Bodmas rule. You should apply Bodmas rule. You should try it at first. You can do it. Try it. Try it. That time I am just erasing. Okay, you should try. You should try, everyone. And say after that finishing, just inform me the answer. Okay, whatever you are getting the answer, that one just inform me. I'll write it here. Okay, okay, see at first question what? 7 minus 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 1. 7 minus 3 into 6 divided by, division sign is there, 3 plus 1. This is the question. So according to the Bodmas rule, which one will do at first? How many signs are there? Minus, multiplication, division and plus. So according to the Bodmas rule, D at first. D means what? Division. So we'll do division at first. Next multiplication, then addition, next at last subtraction. Okay, so at first what to do? At first we will do the division. So that means other things will be same. সেই জন্য আগে যে সমস্ত আগে যেগুলো আছে সেগুলো কি করব আমরা সেম রেখে দেব, only we will do what? Division. So 7 minus 3 into 6 divided by 3 means we will get what? 3 2 is 6, 2 will come. Clear or not? Clear? Next plus 1. Up to this one clear everyone? At first we are doing what? This division. 6 divided by 3 will get what? 2. That's why here 2 is coming. Next what? Now is coming minus sign, multiplication sign and plus sign. What sign will come? Multiplication sign. Multiplication sign will come. That means we will do multiplication. Clear? Okay. Now 7 minus 3 2 is what? 6 plus 1. Clear or not? Clear? Clear? Okay. I have understood this one. Up to this one. নেক্সট হোয়াট উইল ডু অ্যাডিশন। অ্যাডিশন কার সঙ্গে করবো আমরা? দেখো 7 এর সামনে কিছু মানে প্লাস সাইন আছে, দিস ওয়ান প্লাস অ্যান্ড 1 এর সামনে প্লাস সাইন আছে, আর বিফোর দ্যাট 7 নো সাইন ইজ দেয়ার, দ্যাট মিন্স প্লাস সাইন ইজ দেয়ার, প্লাস সাইন ইজ দেয়ার। ওকে, যখন কোনো সাইন দেওয়া থাকবে না দ্যাট মিন্স ফার্স্ট সাইন প্লাস সাইন ইজ দেয়ার। সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই হিয়ার 7, here 7 and here plus 1. 7 plus 1 means what? 7 plus 8 1 8 and 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6 means what? 2. 8 minus 6 2. So that's why here answer will be what? 2. Very easy, clear or not? Important also, this type of simplification you should try, no? আগে তো নিজেকে চেষ্টা করতে হবে, okay? Otherwise always sir will do, that is not good. You should try it, okay? Okay, now question number 8 read. Question number 8, convert into decimals. আমরা ডেসিমালে কনভার্ট করব। How to do this one? What is the given? This one mixed fraction given. এটা কি ধরনের ফ্র্যাকশন? মিক্সড ফ্র্যাকশন। অলরেডি ডিসকাসড, এই ধরনের আমরা মিক্সড ফ্র্যাকশন আমরা আলোচনা করেছি আগে। মিক্সড ফ্র্যাকশন, প্রপার ফ্র্যাকশন, ইউনিট ফ্র্যাকশন, ক্লিয়ার? ইমপ্রপার ফ্র্যাকশন, সো মেনি ফ্র্যাকশনস আর देयर। তাহলে এটাকে আমরা কিসে কনভার্ট করব? ডেসিমালে কনভার্ট করব। How to do this one? কি করে আমরা করব? See, at first given 38, no? 38 8 by 100, clear? This 38 keep it like that. এই 38 কে আমরা যেরকম আছে সেরকম রেখে দেব, ওটাকে কোনো চেঞ্জ করা দরকার নেই, নো চেঞ্জ, নো নিড টু চেঞ্জ, ওকে? জাস্ট কিপ ইট লাইক দ্যাট, ওইভাবে রেখে দেব। only will change what? Only will change this 8 by 100, 8 by 100, okay? Only will change what? 8 by 100, okay? Clear? So 8 by 100 means what will come? What we will get? Say, see, power of 10 is given in the denominator, power of 10 is given in the denominator. Here how many zeros? After 1 2 zeros, after 1 2 zeros. Here we can get the direct answer. How we get? See that here how many zeros? 2 zeros. Here in numerator how many digits? 1 digit. That means we need another 1 digit, so that's why we will write 1 0. Clear? So now 2 digits we are getting, clear or not? After that point will come, after that point will come, clear? That means 0.08, 0.08, clear? Clear or not? If we take another example, suppose 8 by 10, 8 by 10 means see, here 10 means how many digits? How many zeros? 1 0. And 8 means here how many digits? 1 digit. 1 digit means, so after 1 digit point will come, and when we will do the division, that time point will go to the left hand side, বাম দিকে চলে যাবে, পয়েন্টটা কোন দিকে সরবে? বাম দিকে সরবে। আর যখন আমরা মাল্টিপ্লাই করব that time point will go to the left hand side or right hand side. Which one? Division left hand side and multiplication right hand side, clear? For multiplication right hand side will go, not left hand side, clear? So like that. So here it is coming what? 0.08, clear or not? 0.08 is coming, and before the 38 is there, no? Before this number 38 is there, so that's why we will come what? At first we will write 38, next 0.08, clear? 38, after that 0.08, clear? Okay, so here answer will be what? 38.08. Understood everyone? Okay, I hope clear. Next question, see question number 9. Question number 9 is telling 1 by 4 dash, put proper sign here, 1.125. Okay, 1 by 4 dash 1.125, put proper sign, আমাদেরকে proper sign বসাতে হবে। Okay, so how to do this one? First one given, প্রথমটা আমাদের কি দিয়েছে? ফ্র্যাকশনে দিয়েছে, আর সেকেন্ডটা কি দিয়েছে? আমাদেরকে ডেসিমেলে দিয়েছে, পয়েন্টে দিয়েছে। Okay, so first one will convert into decimal only. প্রথমটা আমরা কিসে কনভার্ট করব? ডেসিমেলে কনভার্ট করে নেব, ক্লিয়ার? So 1 by 4, no? 1 by 4. This type of problem we did just now, no? আমরা এরকম প্রবলেম তো আগে করলাম। আচ্ছা, ফার্স্ট কি আছে? 1 আছে, 1, so write here 1. Okay, here no change, this one no change, this one no change. Only will change, which one will change? This 1 by 4 portion, this 1 by 4 portion will change it. Okay, this 1 by 4 portion will change, clear? Means we will do the division. 1 কে আমরা কি করব 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করব ক্লিয়ার 1 কে 4 দিয়ে কি করব ডিভাইড করব ওকে সো হাউ টু ডু ভেরিয়াস ওয়ে উই ক্যান ডু ইট আমরা বিভিন্ন ভাবে করতে পারি ক্লিয়ার আমরা বিভিন্ন ভাবে করতে পারি কি করে করব normal the way also division also you can do it otherwise we can bring power of 10 denominator also we can bring it power of 10 আমরা denominator নিয়ে আসতে পারি so here what to do we'll do the normal division okay anyway we can bring it so 1 কে তাহলে এখানে কি করব normal division করব আমরা বার করব by 4 4 দিয়ে আমরা ডিভাইড করছি ক্লিয়ার তো 1 কে আমরা 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করব so see here 4 and here division possible no sir not possible that's why we'll bring one point clear or not clear okay. After that if we bring here 1 point so 1 0 will come here it will come or not you say it will come or not yes sir will come okay now see 10 is coming 10 means 4 1 is 4 4 2 is 8 4 3 is 12 3 not possible 4 2 is 8 so 2 will come here 2 will come that means 8 will come okay so 10 minus 8 means what 2 and for point 0 will come 20 4 5 is 20 4 5 is 20 that means 0.25 is coming here what is coming 0.25 is coming easy or hard very easy clear so this 0.25 will keep it will write here 0.25 just a minute here 0.25 and আগে 1 টা ছিল এই 1 keep it like that এই 1 টা আমাদের যেরকম ছিল সেরকম রেখে দেব only we are dividing only this 1 by 4 1 কে আমরা 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করছি and if we do the division 1 by 4 what will come 0.25 is coming ঠিক আছে 0.25 আসছে আর 0.25 এর আগে তো আমার 1 ছিল that 1 will come that same 1 will come okay no change clear that means 1.25 is the answer okay answer means here we are getting 1.25 so 1.25 just I'm writing here okay just check it once this one what 1.25 and here getting what 1.125 তাহলে কোনটা বড় এখান থেকে দেখে বলো প্রথমটা আমরা কি পাচ্ছি ফার্স্ট we are getting what 1.25 and here second one we are getting 1.125 which one is greater কোনটা বড় আগে কোনটা দেখে বলো ফার্স্ট চেক ইট ফার্স্ট 1 আছে ফার্স্ট 1 is there before 0.1 is there yes এখানেও 0.1 আছে মানে 1 আছে here also 1 is there clear next point in both numbers দুটো নম্বরে কি আছে পয়েন্ট আছে clear next see after point 2 is there but here after point 1 is there here after point 2 is there after point 2 is there but here after point 1 is there so that's why which one is greater this one is greater clear or not clear that way we should do it okay clear okay I have understood you should practice okay and if any problem from these problems no just inform me again I will explain it this one but few students are sending their work few students are not sending their work that is the very bad habit okay that is loss for you only just think about it why telling that why sir is telling every day you should think if you don't want to study it's okay no problem that one now question number 10 is telling 36 milligram equal to 0036 gram write true or false what is the question the 36 milligram টা কি 0036 গ্রাম হবে write true or false true অথবা false লিখতে হবে তো চেক করব আমরা 36 মিলিগ্রাম কে আমরা কি করব গ্রামে কিভাবে কনভার্ট করি see how to do when we are going to gram to milligram gm to mg gm means gram and mg means milligram okay যখন আমরা গ্রাম থেকে মিলিগ্রাম যাচ্ছি তখন কি করছি we are multiplying by 1000 clear but when we are going to mg to gram that time we are dividing by 1000 clear or not clear that means what I'm writing here when we are going to gram to milligram that time we are multiplying by 1000. Okay, but mg2 milligram, mg2 gram, that time we should divide it by 1000. 1000 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করতে হবে। আন্ডারস্টুড? তাহলে 1000 কাকে ডিভাইড করব আমরা? 36 কে ডিভাইড করব, because 36 milligram is there now in the question. 36 milligram is there, তো 36 কে আমরা 1000 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করব। 36 divided by 1000. Clear concept? Clear or not everyone? Clear? Okay, now see here how many zeros? 3 zeros. Okay, direct answer will get here 3 zeros, but here how many digits? 2 digits. So that's why we need another digit now. So that digit what? 0. 036. After that point will come. That means 0.036. And this 0.036 we can write 0.036, because this 0 that no value also we can write, or no need to write also, no problem that one. Clear? So that means 0.036, that is the answer, means according to the question. Okay, but here given only 0036, we are getting what? We are getting 0.036. 0.036 দুটো জিরোর মাঝে কি আছে? পয়েন্ট আছে, but here given only 0036. Possible? Possible? No sir, only 0036 is not possible, so that's why this one false. F. Clear? So that's why this problem is false, not that one correct. Clear? Understood everyone? I hope you understood, and you should practice it, you should try it, and if any doubt you should inform me, again I will explain it. Okay, but you should practice it. So your homework, what? Take your homework, exercise 33 as well as 34 also. 33 already explained, this one you should practice it. Okay, and 34, this one you should try. Okay, and even a doubt you inform me, again I will explain. Clear? But you should practice it. Your homework should be finished. Okay, homework should be finished everyone. Clear? That's all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.